welcome to CJM Farms. Just cooking in the kitchen. Anyways, just got some chicken on there and some onions. Yeah, looks amazing. Oh, I wish there was smell-o-vision. This is just the onions, and then I put tomato sauce, and then I put homemade Italian tomato sauce in there. That's homemade in there too. And then there's chicken all the way in there. Just turn this on, boiling some hot water for the pasta to go with the meal. Just putting salt in here. I've always put salt in when I'm making pasta. If you can tell me the reason why people do it, because I don't really know the real reason, put a comment. I literally just picked up a chicken and I was like, oh, started flaking away. So I think it's done. Look at that, we got the big pasta. It's from the Italian box. I don't know where the box went, but it's made in Italy.
Could you see it?
No, I'm going in.
Oh, smells good.
Look at that.
You
It's
did
amazing.
an awesome job there.
Yep. Say hello.
Hello, everyone.
She just got off work. Everything's looking good. We got some cheese, so we're gonna whatever that is. Oh yeah, just grate it. We're gonna grate it on top. And I got sour cream. This reminds me of what my mom used to make me back in the day when I was younger. It's a whole bunch of stuff just thrown in, and it tastes delicious.
And it looks and smells delicious too.
Fancy cooking down in the city. Look at that. It looks so delicious. What do you think, Carmela?
Can't wait to try it.
No. There's chicken in there. You just can't see it. I'm going to eat. Have a good one.